Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to sign up for Medicare. In this video, I will guide you through Medicare enrollment. When you are getting started with Medicare, it's important to know if you will automatically get Medicare when you turn 65 or if you need to sign up. If you are already getting retirement or disability benefits from Social Security or the Railroad Retirement Board when you turn 65, you'll automatically get Medicare Part A hospital insurance and Part B medical insurance. You'll need to sign up for Medicare if you are close to 65 and you are not already getting these benefits because you are still working. You might qualify for Medicare based on when you turn 65, but if you are under 65, you might qualify if you got disability benefits for 24 months. Our example will focus on people turning 65, but this information applies to both situations. Your initial enrollment period is your first chance to sign up for Medicare. This 7-month period includes the 3 months before you turn 65, your birthday month in the middle, and the 3 months after the month you turn 65. But if your birthday falls on the first day of the month, your enrollment period starts 4 months before you turn 65 and ends 2 months after the month you turn 65. When your coverage starts depends on when you sign up during your initial enrollment period. If you qualify for premium-free Part A and sign up during this period, your Part A coverage starts the month you turn 65 or the month before you turn 65 if your birthday is on the first of the month. You'll qualify for premium-free Part A if you or your spouse paid Medicare taxes at least 10 years. That means you won't have to pay a monthly premium for Part A coverage. If you do not qualify for premium-free Part A, you can buy it along with Part B. If you have to pay a premium and sign up during any of the 3 months before your 60th birthday, your coverage will start the month you turn 65. If you sign up during the month you turn 65 or in any of the remaining months of your initial enrollment period, your coverage will start the first day of the month after you sign up. If you miss your initial enrollment period, you may have to wait to sign up. You may also have to pay a monthly penalty for Part B for as long as you have Part B coverage. The penalty goes up the longer you wait to sign up. If you have to pay for Part A coverage, you may also have to pay a penalty. Visit Medicare.gov and select Get Started to learn more. You will answer a few questions to find out when and how you should sign up based on your situation. So now let me show you how to sign up. You can simply click on Get Started with Medicare after you visit this section. Then here you will have to click on Get My Medicare Steps if you're getting Social Security benefits before 65 or getting Social Security benefits after 65, or you want to find the path for your situation. I will simply click on Get My Medicare Steps. You'll have to answer these questions, preview your coverage options, sign up for Part A and Part B when you're ready, and choose your coverage. Step 5, use your Medicare service. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.